It happens to us also. Men and women. Men, what happens? They are in the friend circle. All the time they are in the friend circle. They are good friends. But when they come back home, they must become friend to their family, to their life partner, to their children. They don't do that. And these days, busy with mobile. Everybody is busy with mobile. So there is no friendship. There is no balance in life. Prayer is good, but there should be a limit for prayer. We are not cloistered nuns. If you go to cloister convent at Chikali, those sisters will tell you, they have no time for prayer because they have to do a lot of work at home to keep themselves, take care of their other so many needs. And yet they do pray. It is their life of prayer. Our life is contemplative in action. We must keep prayer and work in balance. We must know how much time to devote for our works and how much time to devote for our prayer life. They complement each other. Work sustains our life, our family. And the spiritual life gives us the source to go ahead. Prayer is like charging our inner battery. Our mobile has to be charged, otherwise it will not function. Same way, if we don't charge our inner battery, our spirit, it goes down, then work becomes monotonous, everything becomes a burden. We get worried about too many things and pressure goes up and so many problems come in life. So today's reading invites us to keep a balance. Work and God should go hand in hand. There is a saying in Latin, orare et labore, prayer and work, both important. You cannot give importance to only one. No, both have to go hand in hand. Let us ask for this grace that in our life we may practice orare et labore.